Is it any better today? Oh, gross. Oh, we can actually see across the street. Ew. Maybe some other day.